Hey everybody, today is an unboxing video of this new vacuum sealer I got. I've been meaning to get one for a while to keep my food fresh because I'm running out of glass lock containers and it's not really good for storage with so many in the fridge. So this is a Simple Made Easy VS6610, I think it's S. And then I think it comes with 10 vacuum seals to start with, but I hear that you can use any vacuum typical seal. Let's take it out of the box. And then you can see from the box there's like instructions here, tips on vacuum sealing. So in the box it comes with your standard plug. I have no idea what this is yet, but we'll find out. I think this is to help suction air out. And of course the bags. The manual. And I think it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, so 10 vacuum seal bags. Aha! And for meat and potatoes. Okay, so how do we set this up? We'll find out with the instruction manual. Good thing I have something to test out with. I just opened a can of Spam, but I didn't need to use all of it, so I'm going to reseal the Spam to keep freshness. Just taking this out. Twisty tie. Okay, how do we set this up? Enjoy seasonal specialty food, spend less money, buy bulk when food isn't, yeah. Okay. Safeguards. Okay, who needs instructions anyways? Plug and play, right? So it shows the AC ports in the back. Oh, it's back there. You see, right there. Rubber contact bar. I don't know what that means. Sealing foam gasket, vacuum chamber, sealing strip. So I'm thinking the sealing strip is this bottom part right here. Okay. Vacuum chamber and vacuum nozzle. Draw out air of bags, canisters, bottles. Place the open end of the bag into the vacuum chamber. Remove air from inside the bag. Do not block the vacuum nozzle. A hose is needed to draw air out of the canister or bottles. Sealing strip. Teflon coated strip containing heating wires heats up and seal the open end of the bag with rubber contact bar. Rubber contact bar assist the sealing strip to provide optimal seal. AC port, sealing foam gasket. Oh, so the chamber thing that they mentioned is right here. I don't know if you guys see in the video. It's this little nub in there, I think. But how do I get? I don't want to break this. Oh, do I just, where is this? Do I just stick it in like that? I'm thinking, so you need small hands to reach in. Oh, okay, so you can open wider. Nope, not this way. Science tells me you put it in this way with this nozzle. I think that's how you do it, but I think I should read the instructions. Okay, but we're able to open it. Okay, chamber nozzle, blah, blah, blah. Let's see if there's more pictures too. Accessory button, vacuum seal button, seal button, accessory button, vacuum seal with canisters and bottle stoppers. The indicator lights will flash in the vacuum process. Seal a bag without vacuum seal. Seal indicator light will be eliminated. It will automatically turn off when the sealing process is complete. Note, wait at least 60 seconds between seals. Seal a bag without vacuum. Oh, okay. I see. Vac seal button. Try out air of the bag as soon as it's tight seal around the food. Prevent the possible damage to pressure sensitive foods. You may press the seal button at any time. Wait at least 16 blah 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 blah. Stop button. Okay. Operating instructions. There we go. Tips on vacuum sealing or sealing a bag or sealing only. Place the appliance into power outlet via the provided power cord. Open the lid. Clean, ensuring the open end of the bag. Make sure there is no food, material, or wrinkles on the open end. Position the end of the bag into the vacuum chamber. Close the lid and firmly press down on both sides of the lid. You will hear a clicking sound if the lid is properly closed. Press the vac seal or seal button and corresponding indicator lights will be illuminated. Okay. When the indicator light turns off, it means the process is complete. Press the 2 release buttons, open the lid, and remove the seal bag. Tips on, this is if you use this thing, I guess. Tips on vacuum sealing with bottle stoppers. Oh, I see. So I can buy this additional accessory if I want to vacuum seal bottles for some reason. Insert one end, blah, 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 blah. Insert the other end hose in the bottle stopper. Press the accessory button, it will begin to vacuum process. The process will stop automatically with a certain negative pressure. Press the stop button and use a stop. Why would you want to vacuum seal bottles? I have no idea. Because wouldn't there be liquid usually? I don't know. Do not reheat. Okay, attention. To avoid hazards, do not reheat vacuum packaged foods in a bag in microwave oven. To reheat foods in a canister in microwave oven, release the vacuum and remove the lid before reheating. Avoid using the bottle stopper on plastic bottles. Do not vacuum package carbonated or sparkling beverages. Helpful hints: do not overfill the bag. Always leave at least 3 inches of bag material between contents and top of bag. Clean the open bag, blah blah blah. When a large item. Okay, so these are just tips. Cleaning and maintenance. Unplug. Yeah, we don't need that. We don't need that. These are talking about the accessories. Okay, storage guide. So that was the manual. Sorry, that was a TLDR for me. So let's take one of these babies and try it out. First, gotta plug it in. Okay, so here is some Spam I have left over from cooking earlier. First, have the chamber open. As you can see, it's on open mode. And then you line it up here. Now close the lid until you hear a firm click. This is not closed yet. As you can see, the buttons are still sticking out. So it's kind of like a hard click. You hear that? And that's what you want to go for. Now it's like, when I pull it, it's in there firmly. Make sure both ends are in firmly. You hear that nice solid click. Now let's press vacuum seal, which is this button second to the right. So you can see the bag's being shrunk, which is really cool. Okay, cool. Now the air's been sucked out. Now I think it's the sealing process. And then okay, so it seems the light is off, so I'm assuming it's complete. Which is really fast. That was what, less than 10 seconds. On the side, there's a quick release button on each side of the ring. Press both sides to release the chamber. Open it up. Ooh. I'm just afraid it would be hot. It isn't. Okay, good. And a perfect seal. Wow. Yeah, it's a perfect seal. So my Spam has been saved for, what, another couple days until I'm ready to use it again. Thanks for watching, everybody. Again, this is vacuum sealer model VS6610. I will put a link down in the comments or description below if you want to get one yourself. And it helps with feel like if you buy in bulk, let's say you go from Costco and you don't want to buy that many because you always have to separate all the meat. Well, now you can just seal them in their own individual vacuum sealer, which is awesome. Thanks for watching, everybody. Bye.